this video, we'll show you how easy it is to create a custom report in Service Cloud Lightning. One of our top requests for Desk is the ability to create custom reports and dashboards. Taking advantage of Service Cloud, you can do just that and choose the data you need to measure on. This also includes data from integrations, custom formulas, and the use of business hours for more precise results. What's more, you'll also have the ability to easily share these reports and even schedule them. Since measuring case volume is a key business metric for all service teams, we're going to walk through how to create a report that displays open support cases by case owner, group, and priority. In Desk, you would use the overview, group, and agent reports within business metrics to show case volume and priority, but it's not possible to filter by status. An easy way to get to reports is by clicking on the app launcher in the top left of your Salesforce org. Then click on Reports under All Items. Next, let's click on the New Report button in the top right. From the dialog box, we're going to pick Customer Support Reports, then Cases, and click Create. The report type you choose determines which records are returned and which fields are available in your report. The first thing we want to do is apply some default filters. Since we're going to report on open case volume, let's leave the Show field set to All Cases. You can easily change this to another filter option, such as My Team's Cases, by clicking on the drop-down. Now we need to select a time frame for our report data. Let's leave the Date field to Open Date, but change the date range to current fiscal year. When you do this, the dates are automatically populated based on your selection. We want to filter by case status, so let's add a new field filter. Click on Add Filter, Field Filter, and select Status from the drop-down. Or you can do a quick search for status in the left sidebar and then drag and drop the status field to the Add Filter section. We want to report on any cases that aren't resolved or closed, so we'll change the operator to not equal to, and using the lookup icon, we'll check the resolved and closed case status options. Click OK. This excludes cases with these statuses and returns all cases that are still open and being actively worked on. We also want to filter by group, so we'll follow the same process to add the group field to the filter. Set the operator to Contains and use the lookup icon to select the support group in this case. The group field is actually a custom field, so you would create this field first and capture your group data so you can use it in a filter in reporting. Click OK. By default, you'll see the following columns displayed: Case Owner, Subject, Date Time Opened, Age, Open, Closed, and Account Name. If you don't want to include a column in your report, you can just drag it off to the sidebar as so. Likewise, you can drag fields from the left sidebar and add them as new columns. We want to be able to group our data by priority and case owner. The case owner includes agents and queues. To do this, let's change our report format to Summary by clicking on the Tabular Format drop-down. There are 4 reports you can choose from: Tabular, Summary, Matrix, and Joined. Summary reports are good for grouping rows of data, viewing subtotals, creating charts, and for use in dashboards. Now let's drag and drop the case owner, priority, and status fields to the dropper field to create a grouping area. Call the report Open Support Cases by Case Owner and save it to the Public Reports folder if you want everyone to have access to it. You can also create private folders or custom folders shared with specific people. Now click the Run Report button to see all the relevant data. We now see cases grouped by case owner, how many cases each case owner has, along with their priority and status. The report also shows the total number of cases that meet the report's criteria. To see this data in chart format, click the Toggle Chart button. Tip: you can easily change the report format by clicking Edit, then the Format drop-down. Let's choose Matrix format and run the report again. You can also change the chart format and details by clicking the Chart Settings icon and changing the display. Now you'll be able to boost efficiency and productivity by creating your own custom reports. In the next video, we're going to show you how to turn this report into a dashboard. And you've just begun to unlock the power of Service Cloud.